This is how to add a watermark in Google Docs. So let's get started. So the first step is to come to your browser and open Google Docs. So just search for docs.google.com. And once you're here, come to the doc where you'd want to add a watermark. So I've opened this, and one thing we have to ensure that our Google Doc is in pages mode and not pageless. So I'll explain what it is. If you scroll down and if you see a page break between both the pages like this, then you're in the correct mode and you're set to go. But if you don't, then just click on File, Page Setup, and here switch to Pages, select Whole Document, and you can select the page size. Then click on OK. So once this is done, we're all set to go and we can add the watermark. So click on Insert, that's here. Then click on Page Elements and select Watermark. We have two options for watermarks. One is an image, or the second option is text. So first I'll show you with text. We can insert the text that we want. Let's say I want this. Then below, we have a lot of options. So I'll show you one by one. First is the font. So from here, we can change the font if we want to. After that, we can change the font size, make it bold, italics, and change the color as well if we want to. As you can see, the color changed. Then we can decide the transparency. So if you want it to be really subtle and more transparent, then you can do something like this. Then we can make it horizontal if we want to. So currently it's diagonal, but if I do this, it's been made horizontal. And we can decide if we want it in front of the text or behind. And as you can see, the changes apply to both pages. And if you're happy with this, you can click on Done. And now it's done. So this is one method. And if you want to add an image instead, again click on Insert, Page Elements, and Watermark. And this time click on Image. From here, we'll have to select an image. And there are different ways to upload one. So if you want to search on Google, you can just go to Google Images. Or if you have it on Drive, you can access it from there. If you want to upload it, just come to Upload and select Browse. Select the image, and you'll see your image has come here. Then we can change the size if we want to. So click on this, and if I want to make it smaller, as you can see, that's done. Again, if you want to make it transparent, just select this option called Faded. And now it's become transparent. Then they have some more options related to the image. So if you click on this, these are all the options you have, like changing the brightness, contrast, opacity, and more. But once you're done with this and it's all fine, then just click anywhere and the changes are made. So these are both the methods of the watermark, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.